What's up, what's up? Some of you wanted to see how fast can I make some videos, so here's a full day of some content. It is 7 a.m. Let's see. Boom! 7 a.m. and we are gonna see how many videos we can do. We are currently researching some metadata, so we know exactly what we're gonna be filming and editing and all of that good stuff today. Here we go.
I actually took it upon my social media platforms to start leveraging in on the art of becoming a platform artist. Helping the guru, the expert, just helping you, really. This series is a mini series. Over the next 5 videos, I'm gonna be sharing some tangible tips that helped me leverage some of my social media platforms, right? And create some content that is either educational, entertaining, or inspiring. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today, I'm super excited about this video because we're gonna talk about YouTube. Yeah, YouTube. And if you're watching this video, it's a YouTube video, so congratulations. Make sure you have hit that subscribe, clicked the bell so that you know when I post another video. I don't like posting in a typical time schedule. I really don't, so deal with it. Hit the bell, and when you see, because there's tons of people and tons of friends that aren't doing anything right now, they've been going through my content, leaving me comments, and I love you guys so much. This is a mini series that I have had constructed and drafted that I really wanted to kind of piece together. Nothing too crazy or fancy, just short mini videos to tell you.
Intelligence to me isn't about college degrees and book smarts. That's part of it, but there's also intuition, there's understanding, there's nurturing.
When I was going to beauty school, I had the dreams of becoming a platform artist where I could travel around the world and educate hairdressers and beauty professionals and gurus and experts. And if you haven't caught any of the previous videos, go back, watch some videos, or check out the playlist after you watch this video. I don't really care. Skip through this video if you want to, but you're gonna miss some really cool things. I love when people tell me that they don't have time or money or all of that nonsense when it comes to social media. Okay, yeah, I did invest, come on, in a ring light. And of course, I have my equipment, but this is 3 poster boards that I cut up old Salon magazines, right? I'm filming this on my iPhone, and I made a backdrop real quick. You know, I just felt like filming some content and sharing some content that inspires me. It's not that hard. So people just like hearing them complain. And when you don't have time in the studio, you create a studio. And if you want to be featured in my next video, I'm looking for some fun people to do some collaborations with. So all you gotta do is comment below something really like a takeaway that you've taken over the past couple of videos, and I'll shout you out in the next video. And then I'm gonna probably, yeah, we're gonna do a fun, I've got some, the next series is really fun. So anyways, we're not gonna talk about that today.
We're tenacious. If we want something, we don't stop. What about that pair of shoes you're lusting after and you can't afford them, but miraculously the money shows up and you've got new kicks on?
Wherever you want. Look, there's a new studio. It's just a whiteboard. And then you want to change it up. Oh, family, hello. Look, calendar. Oh, and we're in a different setting. How crazy. Moving forward! Alright, so today's video we're talking about YouTube. As you can tell, I am over the top excited about it because of the fact that YouTube is great. It's amazing. We live in the 21st century and video is awesome. There are kids, literally, there are humans working on their computers right now, working. There's churches, there are businesses, there is musicians, performers. I watched a full drag show last night, live, from a club, and you could tip them through their PayPal. It was the coolest things ever. I watched the church on Sunday. We did Zoom calls and talked to each other. It's so cool, so cool. despite what's going on, I'm here to share some light, to share my insight, to share some positivity, and to hopefully teach you that you are not alone, despite if you are literally isolated right now. The universe, God, whoever you believe, has placed this amazing tool, the phone, in your hand with social media in a time where we can't be alone. So if you're watching this video, I know you're not alone because I'm with you, okay? Google, YouTube. Google is a search engine. How to tie a shoe, how to make a PB&J, how to cut your hair at home.
So don't even act like you know what I'm talking about.
Please don't do that. How to, XYZ. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the whole entire world, who is owned by the first largest search engine in the world. And YouTube is not just an everyday social media platform. Yeah, we can be social. Yeah, you guys can leave me comments. But chances are we're not shooting each other messages on YouTube, right? That's for Instagram, that's for Facebook. That's for community-based engagement. YouTube, I've literally got tired of repeating myself, so I have several different private playlists that I'm now turning into mini-series, which I've already filmed this content to my coaches and to my students. I've already shared how to build their platforms through private videos on YouTube because I got tired of repeating myself, right? So if you're a stylist in the salon and you're telling your clients, get a haircut every 6 weeks. I've talked about this before on a couple of my previous videos, and for a while there, I've pumped out mindset motivation mixes. So if you haven't checked out one of those and you're feeling kind of low right now, go play one of those, relax, let that playlist go through, and I guarantee there will be either a smile or some sort of emotion running through your face. That playlist is linked in the description of this video. But YouTube, I was tired of telling, cut your hair, do this, da-da-da-da-da. Film it in a video, I can send it out when my clients have questions. If you find yourself telling your mindset, your weight loss clients, I really hate going over this recipe, going over the beginning steps, or you're tired of doing all that introduction stuff, film a video. Put it on YouTube. YouTube's this whole little archive that I have of weddings. I have my nieces and nephews' first birthdays. I have all of this stuff that's private behind the scenes on different channels and things like that because it's cool. I get to have those links, I get to share them out, it's a free platform, and now we're looking at people are literally, James Charles is doing a reality TV show. I watched a home DIY TV show that was set up just like a normal TV show. We watched a whole royal family step away from, that's a whole other video, but we watched a whole royal family step away essentially so they can build a brand and start working in this kind of industry thing, right? And so far it's been working. So despite what you're going through, we have to get that out of our head. So despite what you're going through, YouTube can be a perfect place for you to share and create content. And if you don't even, let's say you're not creative, or if you haven't seen the video about TikTok, I did a live where I sat there and I edited. I did it on Instagram Live. So catch my lives and you can see me edit and do some stuff. Or maybe I'll put together another series specifically on how to edit photos and videos, because I did spend some time educating myself in the field of photography and videography, because I loved the fact that when I would do a client in the salon, we could go out behind the salon and I could take her pictures and I could do video and I could use that stuff. So I took photography classes and I spent years shadowing and learning from different people. So I'm filming this on my iPhone because I want to show to you that it really doesn't matter to have fancy equipment. Like I said, we're in my kitchen, and most of you already know that if you watched the first video. YouTube is a great place because of the community factor as well. Your videos will rank in the search, and you have to stay consistent. Nobody cares about you on YouTube. I don't know how to say that enough. Not that nobody cares about you as a person. I'll go and do another video about how no one cares about your feelings. So many times I see content creators just talking and 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 talking at the beginning of every single video that they're creating and saying like, hi, my name is, I'm 20, I live in, there's no necessary about that for YouTube, okay? Or any social media, because you wouldn't constantly go to your Instagram every single day and say, hey, welcome back to my, right? Yeah, video introduction is different, but not having to give your full entire life story throughout the first 10 minutes of your video would help the process when we're watching videos. Just putting that out there as a little bonus tip.
Remember that if you are looking to better transform your lives so that you can better transform the lives of others, connect with us in the description of this video. Leave a comment below and we'd love to hang out and collab or do something fun. So if you are interested, let us know.
For the best fitness, weight loss, mindset, beauty, and everything in between, hit the like button, click the subscribe, click the bell, and thank you for hanging out.